Who are you? What's your name?
Oh, my name is Gamer Lou.
Gamer Lou, aka Mr. Buckets.
Yes, Mr. Bucket.
Okay. What are you unboxing today, Mr. Buckets?
I'm gonna be unboxing my own gamer shoes. As you know from my logo, Gamer Lou. You know that if you also watch my TikTok, you'll also know that it's officially confirmed that I have my shoes. And they're in production. And I'm gonna be wearing them. So when you want a game, like playing Cuphead or I'm playing a game that I play on my stream, you can wear them. And we're going to be unboxing my gamer shoes.
Oh man. Oh, let's see the box.
It's a Nike by You.
Nike by You. Customizable. Fully customizable, huh? You designed those?
Yes.
You did that?
Yep, I did it all.
How you do that?
I went on the Nike website.
On the Nike website, okay.
Yes.
Nike by You. That's a hard box.
Yep, it is. What's here today?
Oh. What we got?
My custom gamer shoes.
Oh, custom gamer shoes. Let me see.
They're looking nice. As you can see right here, it says Gamer Lou. Right here it says Gamer Lou. My iconic green and black color for the background. The neon green. So when you want to be gaming, you can just game in these shoes. You can be wearing these shoes while gaming. Like playing Cuphead or Hard Boss. These shoes look pretty nice. You know what I mean? They also have some tabs over here, some nice, right? They're pretty clean. I can't wait to be wearing these in my future YouTube videos, on my TikToks. Inside of it, it says Zone. No, it says Zoom. Very nice. You can also get the fabric. It always says it wets, however, the shoe feel a little stuff, a little durable. Even the classic 90 will fade out. Even the Gamer Lou, even the strings are green. And these are size 12. They are officially size 12. They say Gamer Lou on both sides. It's in 1972 to go with it. And that's my shoes. They look pretty nice. They look pretty clean in person.
Thank you for your time. Thank you for stopping by the channel. I appreciate you.
I appreciate you too for